Currently, Tropical Cyclone 05S now has a name. It is now named Tropical Cyclone Fina. It is currently at Category 2. It has intensified. Now it is currently 100 kilometers per hour. Fina is located 363 kilometers northeast of Darwin, Australia, and has tracked eastward at 7 kilometers per hour or 4 knots over the past 6 hours. Maximum significant wave height is about 17 feet or 5.2 meters. As forecast well by GFS and HAFSA, increasing northerly convergent flow and wind shear are beginning to impact the system. Thus far, Fina has been able to maintain a compact curve with steady intensification and is forecast to intensify slightly over the next 12 to 24 hours at a peak intensity of 110 to 120 kilometers per hour or 60 to 65 knots expected. GFS suggests favorable conditions should continue for 12 to 18 hours, while HAFSA shows increasing tilt and dry air entrainment within the next 6 to 12 hours. Therefore, there is some uncertainty in the peak intensity depending on how well the system can cocoon itself from the increasing northerly flow and wind shear. Fina is forecast to turn shortly southward over the next 24 hours as the subtropical ridge to south builds quickly. After 36 hours, the system will turn southwestward to west-southwestward as... Oh my gosh, that is a freaking tongue twister. Let me try that again. After 36 hours... Oh, I just heard something. Hold on. After 36 hours, the system will turn southwestward to west-southwestward. Okay, finally I completed it. As it tracks along the northern edge of the subtropical ridge over the next 5 days. Steady weakening is expected as the system approaches northern Australia, then skirts the coast. After 4 days, Fina will move back over water with potential for a short period of intensification before it is overcome by extensive dry air entrainment. With the exception of Navgan, how do I say this? How the heck do I say this? Okay, I just banged my head on the table. And I just did it again. Hold on. Deterministic. There we go. With the exception of Navgam, come on. With the exception of Navgam, the deterministic models are in fair agreement with 180 kilometers. Oh, come on. Mickey boy. With a 185 kilometers to 270 kilometers cross track spread in 45 days. However, the 190000 UTC GEFC. Oh wait, hold on. Let me try to say this correctly. However, the 19 o'clock UTC, GEFS, and EPS runs continued to show a wide swath of solutions, reflecting high uncertainty and low confidence in the typhoon. Why do I keep saying? Okay, I get typos not naturally, but intentionally as well. Reliable intensity guidance is mixed with HAFSA, the most aggressive model, showing a peak intensity of 145 Oh my gosh, it's a freaking cat. Showing a peak intensity of 145 kilometers per hour or 78 knots in about 2 days just before landfall. This scenario is possible if the system can realign vertically and re-moisten quickly, as HAFSA suggests. And currently it is a category 2, 100 kilometers per hour. That is how surprising it is. And thank you everybody for watching, but for some reason I'm gonna show you something. That sounded loud, yeah. And for some reason there is no eye yet. No eye yet. I just face palmed. Okay, that is it for today's video. Thank you everybody for watching, and I hope you had a great day watching this. Goodbye.